Hi guys, we're now going to focus on making the chameleon head. You should have a piece of paper about this size. This is a 9" by 4.5" piece of paper. And the first step you're gonna do, just like we did with the chameleon body, is fold it in half, just like so. Make sure we're taking our fingers and creasing it nice and firmly along the edge. My corners match up. Now guys, I wanna take it and I wanna fold it the same way the other way as well, just to make sure that this piece of paper is super flexible, because this is going to be the joint of our chameleon for the mouth. So just as I've done, stunning. I have a beautiful crease right in the middle. Just in case you can't see it, I'm gonna bring it closer. So we just have a couple more steps and we are good to go. We're gonna start by taking the corners of our papers and creating a triangle. Fold it down and crease it. Take your other side, do the same exact thing. And you should have a lovely triangle with your colored side up. Now we're gonna take those pieces, take a look. I'm just gonna do it the same exact way, the other way. I'm just folding those creases down to make it super nice and flexible. So when I open it on the other side, I have these lovely triangles all over my pieces. Now what I'm trying to achieve is to create X's in those creases. So now we need to take the opposite corners and fold them. Oh, my mistake. And fold them, these corners, and fold them into big triangles again. Make sure I'm creasing nice and neatly. Same thing, take it on the other side, fold it down to make sure it is super flexible. And when I open it back up and on my white side, I should have X's on both sides of my rectangles. Take a look, lovely. Oop. So now we're gonna choose our bottom corners, take our scissors, and cut only into the middle of each side of the rectangle. Like so. Now we should have two cuts, one on each side. Take a glue stick, and at the bottom, just lightly go over with some glue. You wanna make sure it's kind of sticky to the touch. On both sides at the bottom, on both of these triangles. Because now what's going to happen is we're gonna take our flap that we cut that can go up, bring it over. Now it gets a little tricky here. You wanna make sure that this side goes attached to that flap, just like so. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. This is the flap with no sticky adhesive, no glue on. This side is. We're just gonna bring them together and glue it. We basically just have two pyramids. And now, because we folded that part in the middle already, we now have our functioning and operating chameleon head, just like that. Guys, I'm gonna let this run for just a little bit longer in case you need to rewind any of the steps, just so it doesn't go immediately to the next direction or video. So please, 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 go back if you need to look at those steps again and enjoy your chameleon head.